So what's up guys?
Bruh.
Ngayon nga pala, wait lang. Nakabukas ang pinto, sasarado lang natin kasi baka mayroong makakita ng ating demon smell. So guys, I found this, my lunch bag in grade 6 because I'm grade 7 now. Look, you see that monster? You see the stain, man? Let's see. Guys, we gonna check that. No. I failed to make this video because dapat i-edit ko to. Kaso di ko kayang amoy, grabe. Bye-bye.